or should we sell it, the stock. In this case, it would separate into just two areas. First would be buyer to sell, and yeah, that's basically the idea.
So you're using SVM to separate the inputs or the features.
Yeah. So then, not to separate the features, but like for example, we would get a vector of information, and then that vector of information would represent a point in a space, and then we would use SVM to separate that space into buy or sell, like buy or sell states. I'm not sure if that's possible or not. But...
Yeah, I don't get it completely. So you are using probably my understanding from what you mentioned was you're using some kind of classification model to use all these features, and classification model is SVM, and then you separate it into buy and sell. That's output.
Yeah, that's the idea, right?
But
yeah,
that's like a different problem statement altogether. So that's what the Bitcoin guys are doing. They're using this classification model using a couple of features, and they're converting into buy and sell. Right. So, and then they're trying to get the interpretabilities. That's a different kind of machine learning problem. Here in reinforcement learning, what you do is you don't use SVM or anything. SVM is more like a classification model. You just use, you feed in some features and let machine train itself for the reward function, which is maximizing your total money or Sharpe ratio. It comes up with a model all by itself. You're not saying that, hey, use SVM or anything. That's what happens in reinforcement. So I'm kind of confused about how you are using the SVM, but you can maybe provide more clarity. I got the point earlier that you are trying to expand the action space. So you're trying to, apart from just buy, sell, and hold, you're also trying to increase the action space. And that can be a big matrix. So I would like to understand how you're trying to expand it. As in, you can buy one stock, two stock, multiple stocks, or so there can be like a big action space. So that design of the action space is something I would like to understand too.
Hey, Ariam, I'm sorry, but we have another call starting at 12:30, and the guest just arrived. So,
Okay.